This is the Jones family. Father Greg, Mother Tracy, son Tommy and daughter Lisa. And this is the home of the Jones family. Beautiful terrace, beautiful garden, a great place to relax. The Joneses love this spot and spend every free minute here. Father Jones enjoys reading his favorite book. Mother is having a chat with her friends. Tommy and his friends are having barbecue parties. And Lisa is practicing on her guitar. But the pleasure fades once it's a summer like last year's. Because of rainy weather, the Joneses were confined to their house for most of the time. As of today, it's different. The Joneses opted for a Solarlux glasshouse. Thanks to the roof with its vertical glass elements, rain on the patio is no problem anymore. Just close the glass doors and you are seated in your garden, secure from wind and rain. So the Joneses can still enjoy their favorite pastime on the patio independent of weather conditions. And if the sun is shining again, open up the glass elements and enjoy the open space. No matter what the weather conditions are, the Joneses have a summer guarantee. If you want to know more about the wide range of Solarlux products, go to www.solarlux.co.uk and